In this video, I want to present you my very own heat insert nut press. So this project combines the V-slot mechanism that hold the soldering iron together, and also my very own temperature control for Hako soldering iron. It's gonna be much easier if I use the ready-to-use soldering iron, but what's fun was it? Another point is that I found that the built-in temperature control of market available soldering iron usually fake. It just like dim the power of soldering iron, but it didn't have the temperature feedback control after all. So I think this is the best way to do it, and it's also very cheap and very affordable. Let's see how it's done. Okay, so before we begin, let's check things up. First, I have heat insert toolset which built perfectly for my Hako soldering iron. We have various head size for each side of insert nut. So I going to begin with M3. So okay, put it back. Then I gonna insert to this piece here. Okay, perfectly fit. The next thing is I need to connect things together. You can see this is the temperature controller, which I already have the connector here. So just plug in. And the next part is power supply. So 12 volt, or you can use 24 volts if you want, but 12 volt is sufficient for this application. So connect in. You can see, okay, I set this to 150, but I guess the correct temperature would be around the temperature that we printed, right around 200, something like that. Okay, can we wait? Okay, done. Okay, now as you can see, I prepared this flat surface, but my workpiece have no flat surface to lie on it, so this is easily fixed. We just need another block that it can lay on like this. Okay, so to Heatset. Oh, I forgot to mention. Turn out I also install the spring retraction here. It's gonna make things much easier to use. Okay, first one is done, and then second one. Okay, done. Here how it look when it finished. Okay, for the need it might not like required to have, but I think it's gonna make the process much easier because you don't need to like stabilize the soldering iron to make it vertically aligned all the time. And the main advantage here is this heat insert tool because it have the flank to push the heat insert in vertically manner compared to the conical head of normal soldering iron. So I think it just quality of life improvement here. So that's all I got for now. See you in the next video.